In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly link these two powerful tools, allowing data collected in Forms to automatically populate your sheets, making data analysis and organization much more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't created a Google form yet, you'll want to do that now. For those who already have their form ready, the next step is where the magic begins. In the top right corner of the Google Forms interface, you'll see a small green Sheets icon. Click on it, and this will prompt Google to create a new spreadsheet where your form responses will be recorded. If you already have a spreadsheet in mind, you can select the option to link existing spreadsheets. This little green icon is your gateway to connecting your form with Sheets. Once the connection is established, any data submitted through your Google form will automatically show up in your spreadsheet in real time. This is perfect for keeping a dynamic record of responses, making it much easier to manage and analyze data. Within Google Sheets, you can utilize all of the platform's powerful tools like sorting, filtering, and creating charts to bring your form data to life. Make sure to regularly check your spreadsheet for any anomalies in data input. Submissions are transferred to Sheets immediately as they come in, but it's always a good idea to verify the integrity of your responses, especially when dealing with larger volumes of data. Keeping an eye on your spreadsheet helps ensure that you are working with clean, accurate data. If you ever need to disconnect the Google form from the sheet or make changes, head back to your Google Forms interface. There, click on the Responses tab. Here, you can manage response settings, including where you want responses stored. It's as easy as selecting Unlink Form if needed. Another neat feature is the ability to enable email notifications for new responses right from this tab. This can be incredibly handy when you want real-time updates about your form's submissions. Before we wrap up, don't forget to share your Google form and Google Sheet appropriately. Under the Send button, you'll find various ways to share your form with your intended audience, including email, link, or even embedding it into a web page. Similarly, manage sharing permissions in Google Sheets to ensure that the right people have access, whether that's viewing, commenting, or editing permissions. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. This integration will significantly streamline your workflow, providing you with immediate access to organized data. Feel free to revisit any part of this tutorial if you need to, and don't hesitate to explore more advanced functionalities within Google Sheets to get even more out of your connected data.